Unit 2, Practice 1. We may go through both 3 and 4. I might just do 3 and then do 4 in a separate. It really depends on how long the video will be. I'm trying to keep them short for you. So in both 3 and 4, A, B, and C, D are straight line segments. They're not just rays randomly drawn. It's important to know that they are lines. So we want to find the measure of angle X and or Y, depending on the diagram, and then explain how we were able to determine each angle measure. Each of these problems has a couple of ways that you can approach them. So I will show one way. Of course, there is more than one way to do these. So first thing I notice is that the angle 47 and this angle here, they don't give me a point to refer to that with, are vertical angles. So I know that this angle is also 47 degrees. Again, I have this little box which indicates that this angle is 90. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find X. Okay, so angle X plus 47 degrees equals 180. Why? Those are supplementary angles or a linear pair. So 180 minus 47 gives me an angle X that is 133 degrees. Alright, so I'm going to fill that in on my diagram. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to find angle Y. Okay. So if I look here, I have a line AB, which would have these angles forming a line adding to 180, but one of those angles is already 90. So I know that these two angles here are complementary and sum to 90. So 47 degrees plus angle Y equals 90. Again, that comes because these are angles forming a line, but one of them is already 90. So 90 minus 47 is 43 degrees. So I've done part A. I'm now going to explain what it is I did using specific geometry vocabulary. So angle X, I'm sorry, that's not where I started, so let me start over. And I'm going to put a point on here just so that it's easier to refer to. I'm going to make this point E. So angle AEC and angle BED are vertical. And are congruent, or equal in measure. And you can bullet your explanation. It doesn't have to be in paragraph form. Angle X and angle BED are a linear pair. And sum to 180. Again, I'm going to use my shorthand. Therefore, angle X equals 133 degrees. So I've explained where I got angle X from. I can now explain where I got angle Y from. Let's see. So we can say that angle AEB is a straight angle. And angle, can't see this point up here. There is no point, so that makes that difficult to label as well. So we got A, let's put that F. Angle FEB is 90 degrees. So angle AEC and angle CEF are complementary. Again, two angles summing to 90. Therefore, angle Y, which is angle CEF, equals 43 degrees.